actually more of a tea girl. Nice pot, though.
Thanks. The seat at the top gives me the perfect pour every time.
Neat. I wonder where it came from.
Mitsubishi Chemical.
Mitsubishi Chemical? What's that?
Here, follow me down this hall. I'll show you.
Go down a creepy hole with a talking rabbit? Sure, what could go wrong? Wait, don't rabbits usually have long ears?
Yeah, bad gardening accident. Long story.
Mitsubishi Chemical supplies different material formulations to companies that will then take those products and transform them into parts that go into everyday life applications.
Here we get in raw materials, which will come into pellet form or flake form. Then we'll melt it and compress it and then form it into shapes, like I said, rod, tube, or plate.
These are called stabilizing guides. So I'm not sure if you guys ever seen like Comcast or electrical companies outside. They'll put these platforms on the floor and that would hold everything stable.
So a lot of this stuff will go into the aerospace industry. Some will go into the automotive industry, and a number will go into the medical industry.
We do a lot of attempts to control our waste materials and recycle them as best as possible. Take away this facility, you don't have a cell phone, and when you have that cell phone in your hand, you have more computing power in your hand than when Apollo 11 landed on the moon. That's pretty cool.
Man, I had the weirdest dream.
What was it about?
I followed a creepy rabbit into a hole and into a company.
Just stop eating sardines and peanut butter sandwiches before you go to bed.